Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel, and today we are talking about the news that Nicehash just dropped this morning. So, going on over to the official blog post, Dear Nicehash users, due to technical issues with Bitcoin withdrawals to Coinbase, we have decided to suspend this type of withdrawal until Coinbase resolves their API issues. Coinbase limits their API and they cannot process huge amounts of requests coming from our service. Although they tried to resolve the issue with Coinbase for several months now, we have not managed to get a response from them. We understand that this is a very popular method of withdrawing Bitcoin to Coinbase, and we would still like to keep it as it is a free, almost instantaneous. But unfortunately, Coinbase remains unresponsive. We are doing everything we can to resolve this as soon as possible, and we will notify you about our progress in the following days. So, like they have said, this is not the first time this has happened. Actually, I can remember back to a few times this has happened, but I didn't know that Coinbase and them were like going back and forth, and now Coinbase isn't responding. So, does that mean potentially we would lose the free withdrawals and the fast withdrawals to Coinbase for good? Hopefully not. Hopefully they can come to a some sort of, I don't know, compromise, because that was really nice. That was one of the big advantages to using Nicehash, and I'd say if they lose this permanently, I probably would be going back to direct mining, because I'm the JG Wentworth method with my crypto. It's my crypto and I need it now. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that kind of stinks. Now, what are the best alternatives? If you need to transfer Bitcoin to your wallet or some other crypto service, we list some good alternatives. Use the Nicehash exchange. Well, we can't use that because we're inside the U.S. Use the Lightning Network. The Lightning Network is great for sending small Bitcoins amounts, as it uses layer 2 to facilitate fast and inexpensive transactions. Learn more about it here or watch this video. And I may follow this up. I've never actually used the Lightning Network to my knowledge. I just always sent it the normal way. But we can try that. Sure, we'll maybe make a whole video about it. I'm not sure if it needs a video, but yeah. Or 3, keep funds in the Nicehash wallet. I don't even have to read that description right there, because that's not an option for me. One thing that Nicehash did back in the day is they got hacked and they lost a lot of people's money, but they paid it back slowly over time, and it all worked out, I guess, in the end. But I don't want to lose all my money again. I don't want them to be at risk for an attack. So I would recommend people not to be leaving money in Nicehash. The more people that leave money in Nicehash, the more of a target it becomes for hackers, spammers, scammers, bots. Yeah, it's is somebody going to rob a bank with a little bit of money in it, or rob a bank that everybody's just left their money in? Like a loaded bank, so to speak. So yeah, that kind of stinks for, us Nicehash guys, and we were like, loving getting our payouts like bam, bam, bam. And when I'm talking about fast, ladies and gentlemen, so you direct mining pool guys, direct mining Ethereum, and you have to wait till you get, 0.05 or zero point 0.1, and then, it might take 30 minutes to an hour. On Nicehash, when you hit a payout, you on Coinbase, or from Nicehash to Coinbase, you could get a payout right at like $30, and then it would send in like 10 minutes. So you could get your money a lot more often and a lot faster. But I guess that's the issue that they're having with their API, is people are constantly hammering transactions out, which, Nicehash is the one that agreed to make it free, so that's on them. Yeah. I don't know. Let me know what you guys are going to comment down below. And I'm going to try this Lightning Network deal. And I might record it if it's got anything out of the ordinary. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, I'll see you on the next one. Jelly Squad, out. Peace. Later, guys.